Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Redmi Note 10 Pro actually has NFC. Check settings or the spec sheet because enabling software won't help without hardware. Next, open Settings, go to Connection and Sharing, and toggle NFC on so the radio is live. Once done, make sure your screen is unlocked and any thick case is removed. NFC range is tiny, so place tags near the back camera base area. This prepares the phone and gives you a reliable first read every time. You'll now read or write tags and pair accessories. Install an NFC utility app like NFC Tools, open it and choose Read to scan a tag, or write to program a URL, text, or Bluetooth pairing payload. For Bluetooth devices, write pairing info or use Android's built-in pairing via the Bluetooth settings with NFC tap if supported. Make sure to hold the phone steady about 1 to 2 centimeters from the tag until you hear the confirmation tone or see an app confirmation. This ensures the full data exchange completes. To finish, test your program tag and any NFC-triggered automation right away so you can confirm behavior. If something fails, reboot the phone and retry. Many issues clear with a restart. If writing fails repeatedly, inspect the tag. It must be NDEF formatted and not locked or write protected. Also make sure battery saver and background app restrictions are off for the NFC app because Android may block radio activity otherwise. If pairing still fails, try another tag or another phone to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.